Hi, good morning everybody. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I've just come into my office, my sewing room, my computer here, and I just opened my email, and I've just received an email from Ricardo, from the Fabric Hut. As you know, I had my previous videos, I had been asked if I would make a quilt from a quilt kit. That quilt kit was the Floral Harmony quilt kit that I made the quilt top to from the Fabric Hut. It's a pre-cut quilt kit that I was gifted, and I was also gifted an extra 2 quilt kits for a giveaway. And as you know, Holly and Jacqueline both have won those kits. Well, I've just gotten an email from Ricardo concerning yet another quilt kit. It's called the Whispering Pines. If you haven't looked at the Fabric Hut, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I quite like their things, and their quilt kits are beautiful. The Whispering Pines quilt kit. Ricardo has asked me, would I be willing to make another video? If you want to publish your channel, I can offer you another 2 kits for a giveaway. I like this quilt. It actually is green and blue. Go figure. Ian will love it. And it looks very easy actually, because the triangles, it's all just triangles. I've never made it. I've made a diamond quilt myself. This is very nice, and it's all pre-cut, of course. The blurb here says, the highlight of our kit is a pre-cut fabric. No more measuring and cutting. Why I think that's really nice is a lot of people might have trouble in cutting. Either their hands maybe have a bit of arthritis, or they're not so sure. To have your fabrics pre-cut, wow, especially challenging shapes. This kit are beautifully coordinated, pre-cut 90 navy blue and sage green triangles, 90 pure white triangles, 10 navy blue and sage green half triangles, 10 pure white half triangles, 9 strips of pre-cut 2.25 inch binding. Is that 2 1/4? 2.25. Or is that 2 1/2? I'm not quite sure. 2.25. I do 2 1/4. 2.25. Is that 2 1/4? 4 yards of backing fabric. Everything is included, obviously, except your batting. With a finished size of 64 by 77, this throw size quilt also allows for creativity with the bonus of extra triangles. Perfect for crafting a matching pillow or additional decor. Isn't that lovely? Oh, it's lovely. And again, the Fabric Hut 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, just let us know and we will give you a full refund. Returns include free return shipping, no restocking charge. Restocking fee is charged. And then a best price guarantee. Find a cheaper, similar project within 24 hours of placing your order. We'll give you twice the difference. My goodness, it's pretty much of a no-brainer to get an entire quilt, everything except the batting, for $138.97. So, comment below. Do you want to see me make the Whispering Pines quilt kit? I enjoyed doing the other one, and I enjoyed having the offer for 2 other quilt kits for a giveaway. So again, my faithful viewers out there in YouTube land, you might have a chance to win 2 different quilts. One in America, where I am, and one international, where Ricardo will send it to the person. So thank you so very much, Ricardo, for thinking of me. And again, I'll put it out to my viewers. Should I do it again? Maybe I won't rush it, or rush the process as much for the video. Yeah, I enjoyed it. So let me know, folks. All right, have a lovely day, everybody. Keep safe. Love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.